All right, we'll take a look at a different method of calculating some properties of quadratics using technology. We're going to use the website called Desmos. It does a lot of the work for you. It makes things a lot easier, but keep in mind in the future, in the classroom setting, you won't have access to Desmos. You will have access to the graphing calculators. So just keep that in mind. So we have a skier going up off the jump, photographed. Their path was given by this quadratic equation right here, where x is time, y is height, above the ground in meters. So we need to determine the skier's maximum height and state the range. So height and range y such that y is going to be less than or equal to some value. So let's switch over here to Desmos. So y, let's graph that quadratic function, negative 4.9x squared plus 15x plus 1. So there is our graph. You'll see these dots, these gray dots. They tell us everything. Here's our vertex. Here's our y-intercept. Here are our two x-intercepts. Right, so with those we can figure out pretty much everything. So the maximum height, we look at our vertex point and we grab the y value, 12.48. I think it asked for the nearest tenth, so 1 decimal place. Switch, so height, its maximum height was 12.5 meters. And what is his range? So when we look at our y values, well, it's a real life example. So it's got to be between 0 and our maximum point here, our 12.5 meters. So let's fill that in. So y is less than, let's do this properly here. So 0 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 12.5. Y is an element of the reals. So our height, our maximum height of the skier is 12.5 meters. Our range is y such that 0 is less than or equal to y, which is less than or equal to 12.5. Y is an element of the real numbers.